So in today's vid, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on your PC. No USB drive, no extra software, none of that. Yeah, you heard me right. No flash drive, no Rufus. Even if your USB ports are cooked or you just lost your flash drive, you're still good. No cap. Stick around till the end because I'm walking you through every single step. Super simple. Alright. First up, we need the official Windows 11 ISO file. So pop open your browser, search Windows 11 ISO download and click the official Microsoft site. Scroll down a little and you'll see download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Pick the multi-edition ISO, choose your language. Hit download, easy. Once it's done, go to the folder where it landed, right click the ISO and hit mount. Boom, a new drive shows up in File Explorer. Think of it like a virtual DVD but no disk needed. Inside that drive, you'll see the Windows install files. Look for setup.exe and double click it. Windows setup will open. If it asks about downloading updates, just hit not right now to keep things moving. Click next, let it prep everything. Then you'll get a screen asking what you want to keep. You got three choices: keep files plus apps, keep files only, or wipe everything. If you want a fresh start for max performance, I'd say pick nothing. That'll delete your old Windows and give you a brand new copy. But FR, before you do that, back up your important stuff from the C drive. Everything on that drive will be gone. Once you're ready, click next, then hit install. Now the magic happens. Your PC will start copying files and installing Windows 11. It'll restart a bunch of times, don't stress, that's normal. Since we're installing straight from internal storage, it's actually faster than using a USB most of the time. Just chill and let it cook. Once it's done, your PC restarts again and you'll see the Windows 11 setup screen. Pick your region and keyboard layout, then you'll hit the internet connection screen. Microsoft will low-key want you to connect to Wi-Fi so you can sign in with a Microsoft account and sync stuff. But here's the tea, you got two paths. Option 1, you already have a Microsoft account? Cool. Just connect to Wi-Fi and sign in. Option 2, you don't want to use a Microsoft account and want to keep it local. Here's the trick. Make sure your PC is not connected to the internet. No Wi-Fi, no Ethernet. Then on that screen, press Shift plus F10 to open command prompt. Type this exactly, OB bypass in a row. Press enter, your PC will restart. Go through the setup again and this time you'll see I don't have internet. Click that. Then you can create a local account, pick a name, add a password if you want, answer some security questions so you don't get logged out and keep going. After that, Windows finishes setting everything up. In a few minutes, you'll hit the desktop. Now that you're in, first thing, connect to Wi-Fi if you haven't already. Then go to Settings, Windows Update and check for updates. Let Windows grab all the latest drivers and patches that keeps your system smooth and secure. Most drivers, graphics, audio network will auto-install. If anything's missing, just grab it from your manufacturer's website. So yeah, installing Windows 11 without a USB or any extra tools? Super easy with this official method. If this vid helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.